Enjoy portable, energy-efficient indoor climate control with the Delonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner. Cool rooms up to 400 square feet with a simple no tools required setup. This powerful unit offers 12,000 BTUs for quick relief from the summer heat. This Delonghi Pinguino uses R410A refrigerant, which is environmentally friendly with zero ozone depletion. Exclusive no-leak technology efficiently cools the unit by recirculating excess moisture collected during cooling, with no water tank to empty. The easy-to-use soft touch control panel offers 3 fan speeds and a 24-hour digital timer and thermostat. The fully featured remote control can be used to control the unit from anywhere in the room. Integrated handles and durable casters allow you to easily roll the unit from room to room. Designed with a low fan speed option to ensure quiet operation through the night while sleeping. The compact and user-friendly Delonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner will keep your favorite spaces comfortably cool.
Introducing the NewAir AC-14100E, one of the most compact and portable air conditioners on the market. Complete your daily duties and have peaceful night's sleep, as this unit comes with a 24-hour programmable timer and automatic defrost. And it's designed with an auto evaporation feature, allowing it to run overnight without any problems. The ozone-friendly refrigerant contains no chlorine. It comfortably cools a space up to 525 square feet, making it ideal for cooling medium-sized bedrooms, dens, dorm rooms, or offices. The 14100E can even function as a dehumidifier and remove up to 60 pints of moisture from the air per day. It has convenient and time-saving features such as dust filters, remote control, and wheels and handles for easy portability. The easy-to-install window kit can be adjusted to fit any size window. And for cooling and heating, the AC-14100E has a sister unit, the AC-14100H. This unit offers everything you need, as it operates as an air conditioner, space heater, dehumidifier, and fan. Both of these units have been rated by consumers as the best AC units on the market for many years. Don't let a hot, dry environment keep you from enjoying life. Get the most out of it and remain cool and content. For dependability and innovation, you can count on NewAir. NewAir, a name you can trust.
Thank you for taking a closer look at the Friedrich Zone Air portable air conditioner. With the function of up to 4 different appliances in one convenient and portable unit, Friedrich's dual-hose Zone Air portable air conditioner offers cooling, heating, fan, and dehumidification that moves with you from room to room. Zone Air's dual-hose closed-loop design cools up to 40% faster than single-hose units. It's also more energy efficient than single-hose portable units because Zone Air doesn't waste any cooled air by venting it outside. The dehumidification mode keeps your space comfortably dry, and with a self-evaporative system, the condensate is used to cool the coil, so there's no bucket to empty. When you just want a gentle breeze, simply switch to fan mode from the control panel or use the remote control from across the room. Zone Air is simple to install. Snap-in hoses and 115-volt operation means quick startup and cooling. Zone Air also moves easily from room to room or storage with casters and side grip handles. It can condition areas up to 600 square feet and is ideal for bedrooms, garages, dorm rooms, or anywhere you need quick, convenient air conditioning. Zone Air is the practical, flexible, and efficient portable air conditioner that offers fast cooling exactly when and where you need it. A broad service network, a team of technical experts, and U.S.-based customer support ensure you get the prompt service you deserve. If you demand the best, it has to be a Friedrich, the experts in room air conditioning.
Honeywell evaporative air coolers provide a natural and effective way of cooling to reduce the temperature without bringing up high energy bills. This model has a compact design and a 1.85-gallon water tank, helping to spot cool and provide fresh air ventilation for hours and hours. The CO71AE cools up to 100 square feet and consumes only 50 watts of power. This translates into savings of up to 90% on energy costs compared with using air conditioners. Water pumped from the water tank pours over the honeycomb cooling pad. As warm air passes through the wet honeycomb pad, it absorbs the heat, naturally cooling and humidifying the air. A powerful fan then propels the cool air into the room or outdoor area. This continuous cycle of fresh air circulation helps to renew stale air. This unit features two operating modes, evaporative cooling mode and fan-only mode. Automatic swing louvers can be activated for faster air circulation. There are 3 fan speeds to choose from, so you can adjust the wind strength according to the room environment. The remote control lets you operate the air cooler from across the room. A large honeycomb cooling pad effectively retains water for optimum evaporative cooling. A carbon dust filter helps filter dust from the air passing through the cooler. Honeywell evaporative air coolers are easy to set up and easy to use. Fill the water tank by pouring water at the side of the unit. Honeywell air coolers have easy-to-use control buttons with a clear display screen showing current mode settings. A built-in water level indicator also alerts when it's time to refill. The honeycomb cooling pad is easily removed from the unit for periodic cleaning and maintenance. The heavy-duty casters allow you to transport the air cooler from room to room with ease. Enjoy the natural cool breeze of a Honeywell evaporative air cooler. A full range of Honeywell evaporative air coolers are available to serve diverse needs.